How to buy FridonAI token. So this token came under the symbol of FRAI. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REX account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 4 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 3 hours. And as you can see, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your fund to for that. Now as you can see here, click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search. As you can see, this also can click on it. Now click on I understand. So here you can type on what you want to buy, as you can see. And this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, scroll down and click here on swap. And you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy FRAI token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.